In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Google Sheets with javascript. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the foundational skills you need to write your first script, bringing greater efficiency and time-saving functionality to your spreadsheets. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first step is to open your Google Sheet. This is the document where you'd like to implement some automation magic. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll find an option labeled Extensions. Click on it, then choose App Script from the drop-down menu. Doing this action will open up the App Script editor in a new tab. You might not have seen this interface before if you're new to automation, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Now let's move on to creating your first script. Don't be intimidated by the code. It's simpler than it seems, and we'll go through it together, step by step. The aim here is to automatically write some text into a cell on your sheet. This will serve as a perfect introduction to help you understand how App's script works. Take a look at the script below, which we're using as an example. JavaScript function my first automation. var sheet equals a spreadsheet app. Get active spreadsheet. Get active sheet. Sheet.getRange A1. Set value. Automation works. Tak work. What this script does is quite straightforward. It defines a function named myFirstAutomation. Within it, we have a couple of things happening. First, we declare a variable called sheet. This variable gets the active spreadsheet, the one you have opened, and then grabs the active sheet within it. Effectively, it's making sure we target the correct spreadsheet tab. The next line is where the magic happens. The script tells the sheet to select cell A1 and input the text automation works. What you'll love about scripting is that once you have this set up, AppScript will do the typing for you next time. Before seeing the results of your code in action, you need to run the script. Look at the menu and find the Run button, which looks like a right-facing triangle. Give it a click. The very first time you do this, you'll encounter an authorization prompt. This is Google asking for the necessary permissions since the script needs the ability to access your spreadsheet. Click Authorize to move forward. After granting the permissions, return to your Spreadsheet tab. Take a look at cell A1. You should now see it updated automatically with the text Automation Works. If you see that, congratulations. You've successfully automated a small task in Google Sheets. Feel free to modify the script or try different cell references as you build your confidence. Remember, automation in Google Sheets is an incredibly powerful tool once you get the hang of it, and you've just completed your first step in unlocking its potential. Thanks for following along, and happy scripting.